Introduce highlight features and overview summary of PARACITY Electric Coffee Grinder Grain Mill Portable Automatic Milling Machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. This electric coffee grinder machine is simple to use with one press operation. Just control the lid to start or stop the grinding. You can control the grinding time to adjust the coarseness and get your choice of fine, medium, or coarse coffee. The interior, both cup and blade of the grinder are stainless steel, which make it a powerful and quality grain grinder. With a powerful 150-watt motor, this milling machine can quickly grind coffee beans within 20 seconds. This herb grinder is easy to clean with water, but as the blade is sharp, please do not touch the blade with your hand while cleaning. As a multifunctional grain mill, this grinding machine not only can be used to grind coffee beans, but can grind spice, herb, nuts, grain, corn, salt, and others. The maximum capacity of this spice grinder is 4.2 ounce 120 grams. Please do not exceed the max line inside the cup when you add grain. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.